Welcome back. If your Snapchat feels slow, blurry, or just not loading snaps the way you expect, there's a good chance data saver mode is turned on. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn it off so you can enjoy Snapchat the way it's meant to be. Let's get straight into it. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account settings. Next, find the settings icon. It looks like a small gear and is located in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to open your settings menu. Now scroll down through the settings options until you reach the section labeled Privacy Control. This is where Snapchat keeps important options related to how your data and experience are managed. Under Privacy Control, look for an option called Data Saver and tap on it. If Data Saver is currently enabled, Snapchat limits how much data the app uses by preventing some snaps and stories from automatically loading. While this can help save mobile data, it can also slow down your overall experience. To disable it, simply uncheck or toggle off the Data Saver option. Once you do that, Snapchat will go back to loading content normally.